students. Now very most important point, student, I will give simple trick for anti-addition reaction. I will give key points. Simply remember, student, that is first one is bromination Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Br2 in the presence of CCl4 to form a two bromines, or it is also undergoes anti-addition reaction. It is also undergoes anti-addition reactions. And second one is bromination Br2 in the presence of water. Key points you remember here, two bromines are attacked. Two bromines are attacking in alkenes and two bromines. But here in bromine in the presence of water, what are the attacking reagent is Br and OH minus. Br and OH. One bromine and OH. It is also undergoes anti-addition reaction. Now third one anti-addition reaction, that is silver oxide Ag2O by heating by H3O plus. So it is also addition of water, that is addition, that is two OH group, sorry, two hydroxy group, two hydroxy group attached to alkenes. It is also anti-addition reaction. Now fourth one, student, that is peroxy acid or COO OH peroxy acid by heating then H3O plus hydronium ion. It is also giving two OH group, addition of two OH group, Now number 4 anti-addition reaction nitrosyl chloride, that is NOCl. We know that is NOCl, NO plus and Cl minus. It is also anti-addition reaction, NOCl, nitrosyl chloride. And now fifth one is HOCl, hypochlorous acid, HOCl. We know that is chlorine positive electrophile, Cl plus electrophile and OH minus nucleophile. It is also anti-addition reaction. Now sixth one is anti-addition reaction, that is very most important, that is mercuric acetate CH3COO whole taken 2 times Hg, mercuric acetate by water or sodium borohydride by OH. It is also undergoes anti-addition reaction, that is means addition of water. In this reaction, addition of water H plus and OH minus, these are the two reagents, electrophile and nucleophile. It follow the Markovnikov rules, but no carbocation formation, no rearrangement. In this oxymercuration, demercuration, student, absence of carbocation, intermediate carbocation, absence of rearrangement. This is very most important, student. These are the simply remember student, simple trick for anti-addition key points. These all are 6. These 6 reactions are belongs to anti-addition reaction, that is bromine in the presence of non-polar solvent. Here two bromines will attack, one bromine electrophile, another bromine nucleophile. Bromine in the presence of water, one is Br plus and OH minus, and Ag2O by heating in the presence of H3O plus. Here two OH group will attack to alkenes, and peroxy acid by H3O plus, here also two OH group will attack to alkenes. And nitrosyl chloride NO and Cl, here NO plus is electrophile, Cl minus is nucleophile. It is also attached to alkene. And HOCl, hypochlorous acid, OH minus and Cl plus, it is also will attach to alkene, Cl plus and OH minus. And we know that is oxymercuration and demercuration. Here also addition of water, one H plus and OH minus. It follow the Markovnikov rules. These 6 are belongs to anti-addition reaction. It is very most important, student. Anti-addition means two reagents, that is electrophile and nucleophile will attack opposite side, will attacks opposite to each other. So this is the simple trick for anti-addition key points, and you remember. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.